Tell me what's there to love. What's there to love about this? Look at the place. It look good. It look good. But to be outside it doesn't feel good. So looking is not enough, Bridget. The road is slippery, the road is wet, icy, everything. People have to be driving at discretion. Well, some people drive over they want. And I'm going to work. I'm going to work, bro. Look at this. Oh, I love snow. You know, drive Jamaica, but I love snow. Going on the fridge, if you look a bit of us down here. Right now, it's at 28 degrees. Our fridge is at 37 degrees. So, what's there to love if the fridge warmer out there, so?